I had the strangest dream. I was riding around in a dirt arena surrounded by cheering fans. An announcer kept saying my name over and over. It appeared that I was at some sort of race, but something was off. I was surrounded by cowboys, and there was no track to be found. Something was guiding me toward the railing of the arena, and I found myself being lowered onto the back of a 3/4-ton animal. It was all happening so fast, and it made no sense.
We got anybody out here that thinks they can get on the back of a bucket boat? Anybody at all? Oh, hey. That looks like Joe Rockstar. Joe Rockstar.
I am actually gonna do this. It's just kind of hitting me right now. Bull riding. Yeah. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I swear I'm just like a leaf blowing around in the wind. Somebody says, hey, you want to ride a bull? And it's a steer. It's not a bull. A steer is a much smaller animal. So this shouldn't be a big deal. This really shouldn't be a big deal. Let's see. Oh man. These guys look kind of big. I hope these aren't the ones that I'm expected to ride. Take a look. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing?
I'm just gonna confuse some rodeo fans.
I'm an idiot. I'll do anything for YouTube views, I guess. I like that. Is there one number 85? I'll ride that.
They look pretty chill. They look chill, right?
This is a family channel, so we'll piece out everything he says.
When you strap something around their testicles, they get pissed. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Where's the clutch? How do I steal this thing? Hey. Don't die.
Keep your feet down.
Feet down.
Don't put them straight out.
Don't put them straight out.
And don't fall off like a fat
Don't fall off like a...
Alright, so we have a rope here. If you ride right-handed, left-handed, just stick your hand in the rope, we'll pull it tight. You hold it just like that. Slide up on your rope. And just hold your pizza. Just hold on just like this.
It's a little baby bull.
Alright, so I got my lesson on how to how the bull looks and feels, but they didn't really teach me anything. I'm just hoping I don't fall off and break something. See how it goes, but I'm half geared up, and looks like things will be starting pretty soon. So Chad just got knocked off his horse, and for talking me into this, I hope he hurt himself.
This man helps defend those freedoms each and every day. Let's help him. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Just like a day off. He says, how about that? Get on the ogre. So the ogre put that glove down on the ground.
It was cool, dude.
You went down quick, dude. Is it that bad?
No, it's just like, hold on. I mean,
I'm scared.
it didn't hurt when I fell.
Yeah.
So here's the problem. We had 4 bucket bowls and only 3 guys to get on it. We needed to fill this. We need one more man. We got anybody out there that thinks they can get on the back of a bucket bowl? Anybody at all? Oh, hey. That looks like Joe Rockstar. Joe Rockstar. Does Joe Rockstar think he can get on the back of a bucket bowl? We have any Joe Rockstar fans? All right. We'll give old Joe Rockstar an opportunity. Come on, Joe. We're going to put you on a little different horsepower. He says, let me hear you. All right, Joe. We're going to give Joe Rockstar an opportunity. He's going to have to get on party time. That's what Joshua Montgomery just rode for 72 points. A hero to a rock star. Joe Rockstar. Rockstar, the stage is set. Let's help him! Come on! Yeah! Joe Rockstar makes the qualified ride. How about if you put your hands together for Joe Rockstar? Let him get his 2-wheeler out of the way. He'd get it down on 2 wheels, 4 legs, whatever you need. Joe Rockstar gets it done. As we work our way through intermission, I've got one more group that I would like to introduce to you right now.
I'm more tired than I thought I would be. Whew.
You did it. That was awesome.
Am I an idiot?
Yeah, you're an idiot. But you did it. You lasted.
Woo! Please subscribe at a minimum or like the video. Yeah.